Welcome to Leduc Physio's YouTube channel. My name is Morgan Specht. I'm the kinesiologist here and I'll be your host today. Today we're going to talk about foot pain and whether you're wearing the right shoes. So foot pain doesn't necessarily mean pain of the foot or ankle. It can be pain caused by the feet or footwear in the ankle, knees, hips, or low back. And oftentimes the first mistake is when we have foot pain or pain in the ankle or foot, we search for a cushioned shoe, so a shoe with lots of padding in the heel. And oftentimes this is bad for the foot because it's like walking on a pillow all day. And although this sounds really nice, it causes more instability for the foot. So the muscles of the lower limb have to work harder to keep you upright and moving all day. So what should you be looking for in a shoe then? Supportive shoes can have cushion in them, but they always have three qualities. They're going to have a rigid heel cup, they're not going to have a big arch cut out of the sole, and they're not going to be able to twist in the back 2/3 of the shoe. So I'm going to use a couple of my shoes. You have to excuse they're very worn, but we're going to demonstrate the rigid heel cup. So a rigid heel cup sits in the heel of the shoe, and what it does is it's a hard plastic or material that doesn't allow the heel to squish in, okay? What this does is it keeps the calcaneus nice and still, so it keeps it from moving around in the shoe as you're running or walking, jumping, anything like that. So we're going to demonstrate the big arch cutout with the next shoe. And what I mean by that is when you look at the bottom of the shoe, there shouldn't be a big cutout or missing chunk of the sole at the arch. The reasoning for this is it keeps the arch nice and stable when there's a piece of sole there. If there's a big hole there, what happens is your foot starts to slide over that hole, and that's what causes stress on the plantar fascia, on the arch of your foot, and starts making that painful. And the last bit is the back 2/3 of the shoe shouldn't twist. So this is a very popular shoe, especially with kids. It is very not supportive. So if you can grab the heel of the shoe and grab kind of just before the arch of the shoe, and if you can twist it or fold it up and put it in your pocket, it is not providing any support for your foot. A lot of the times kids will step in their shoe, and if the bottom also has an arch cutout, you have zero support from that sole, because it's supposed to be supporting the bony structural part of your foot, which is at the back half. And if it is able to squish around, it is not supporting that part of the foot. So making sure that you can't twist it or fold it up and put it in your pocket. So the biggest question I get asked is what brand of shoe is best? There really is no best brand. Every brand of shoe or shoemaker makes really good shoes, supportive shoes, and really poor shoes, really non-supportive shoes. If you are wearing a good shoe and you're still having foot pain or knee issues, hip issues, back issues, maybe it's time to come in and book a custom orthotic fitting. They're just little pieces that go in your shoe, and that can provide you with more arch support, metatarsal pads for any pain or tingling numbness in your feet. We have a better price point on non-custom orthotics, which look very similar, but they are a fraction of the cost. So whatever you need for your feet, Leduc Physio can give you a hand. Thank you for watching today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.